If your garden is also in desperate need of rain, but you don't want to see your water bill go even higher than it already has within the last months, there are easy ways to reuse the water that you are already using and that would otherwise go down the drain. Collect cold water, waiting for warm water to go to your tap before brushing teeth, washing your face, or taking a shower. Collect any leftover water from glasses or kids' water bottles. Collect water from washing fruit and vegetables. Collect water from washing non-greasy dishes such as glasses, cutlery, or barely used plates. You can even collect water from washing hands. I use the clean water from the first 3 examples to water my edibles. The water with some soap I use for my flowers, but I could still use it for edibles, as I use natural Castile soap even for washing dishes. All these does require having a bucket or 2 or even more in bathrooms and in the kitchen, and you'll also have to do some carrying of heavy buckets to your garden. You can also pour the water in bottles for easier carrying. But to me, it's not a big price for a lower water bill and happier plants.